Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix camera lagging on Android phone. So if your Android phone camera is lagging or slowing down or not working or crashing, don't worry. You can fix any kind of camera issues by following these easy steps. First of all, go to your Android phone settings and here scroll down and search for apps. Then tap on apps. Now tap on the search app icon and here type camera and then open camera settings. Once you are here, just tap on permissions. And here if you see camera permission is not allowed, all you have to need tap on camera and make sure to select here always allow. Then go back from here and now scroll down and here tap on set as default and here make sure to enable open supported links. Go back from here and now tap on battery and here if you selected restricted, then it may be the reason of your facing camera lagging or not working issue. So here you have to select optimized or unrestricted. Then go back from here and now tap on change system settings and here you have to allow permission. Once you successfully followed all of these steps, now you have to give a simple restart. So restart or reboot your Android phone. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your camera app and hope now your camera will be work perfectly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.